Welcome to Maryland. And it's still windy. Okay. Back on the road. Stopped for a quick bite to eat because I didn't eat any breakfast before I left the house. So got some coffee. Warmed up a little bit because, man, it's been chilly this morning. We're up to 51 now. We started at like 51 and we dropped down to like 45. So we're cruising down 81. Not sure if you can hear me. And I'm just going to probably turn this off here because it's just interstate stuff that's boring. It's not what you came here for. All right. Well, we're here, first major stop. We are at the very northern entrance to the Blue Ridge Parkway. And this is in Virginia. If you go back that way, you'll hit Skyline Drive another mile or two, and you'll be in Shenandoah National Park. So, take a picture, walk around a little bit, and get going, because we got about 76 miles to our campground. Just entered the Blue Ridge Parkway. Oh man, look at that view. This is going to take me all day. There we go. That should be better. Now, the very northern end of the Blue Ridge Parkway, and I'm sorry for any wind noise because it is nuts. Look at this. It's a new road for me, and you know, this whole day is a new experience for me. I mean, this is day one of working my way down to there we go. Working my way down to my first time moto camping, like I had said previously. We're doing a little bit of climbing here. This is my first time on this section of road. Hey, the interstate, man, that was an experience. Woo, man. Says I should get to camp sometime around 3:15. But there probably is going to be a few stops along the way. Alright, I'll come back in a few. This road is an absolute joy to ride. I gotta tell you, if you ever get the opportunity to come down here, if you're passing through the area, take the detour off of 81. I don't know, it's like 15 minutes off of 81, like towards Waynesboro. You hit the very northern end of the Blue Ridge Parkway. Take that thing south. Man, great views, nice curves throughout this road. Man alive, look at this views. Okay, I'll quickly stop. Note to self, next time I come down this way, mount that stinking 360 camera on the other side, because I think I would get better video. But, what can you do? This road is surprisingly twisty. It's Highway 130 towards Natural Bridge. Man. This is gonna be some other part of the Dragon. Oh man, it's a fun-ass road. Pardon my French. Ooh, look at that sign. Twisty, twisty, coming up. Decided I will definitely be coming back this way again. This is an awesome road. I gotta slow it down. I'm getting tired. This is an awesome road. Man, it would have been nice to have it right at the beginning of my trip. Not the end of this day. I could have cut a lot of time off by not taking the Blue Ridge Parkway, but man, so worth it. So worth it. Half a mile. Let's see. I have a feeling my brother's going to be there first. Oh yeah, by the way, too, you know, I probably failed to forget to mention, yeah, my brother-in-law was supposed to be coming on this trip too, but he did something where he would ride for about 50 miles and he was getting like numbness or tingling or something like that. I don't know, something with his elbow or his pinky or something like that. Oh. So he decided to not come with us because, you know, it would not have been a good thing to go on a trip and have you know, issues where you're in pain. Camp set up for the most part. Still got to get a fire going, and I got to get my chair set up. My brother's got his tent set up. He's off trying to find a cell phone signal to let our wives know that we are alive. We got this nice creek right here, right next to the campsite. Pretty cool. Sounds awesome.